Looking for the best Coursera data analytics discount in 2026? In this video, I'll show you the smartest way to save money while learning data analytics and earning industry-recognized certificates. Before we get started, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. If you're just getting started, one of the best programs is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. It's beginner-friendly and teaches the skills employers are looking for, including spreadsheets, SQL, Tableau, Python, data visualization, and real-world case studies. Another excellent option is the IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate. It focuses on Excel, SQL, Python, dashboards, and hands-on projects that help you build a job-ready portfolio. Both certificates are included with Coursera Plus. Here's where many learners save the most money. Buying professional certificates individually can become expensive, especially if you want to learn additional skills like Excel, Power BI, SQL, Python, AI, or data science. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and many of the world's leading universities. That means you can complete multiple career certificates under one subscription instead of paying for each one separately. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, reducing the price from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're planning to spend several months building data analytics skills, this is usually the most cost-effective option. My recommendation is simple. Start with the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, complete the hands-on projects, then continue with Excel, Power BI, SQL, or advanced analytics courses using your Coursera Plus membership. You'll gain more skills while saving money at the same time. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.